This is In the Garden with Garrett, and I've got 3 beautiful helpers, and what are we gonna do, guys?
Guys, corn. We're gonna
corn?
teach you guys how to pick corn.
We're gonna
how to pick corn,
We're gonna pick corn. Okay, so let's show everybody how to pick corn. It's really ripe. It's been really mild because we've had the smoke and a little bit of cloud to cover for a while. We haven't been really hot, but things have been still getting watered. The corn should be perfect. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go pick it.
Yay!
Okay, Georgia, can you show us how to pick corn? How are we gonna know? Okay, what do we do?
Hold the corn from the bottom. Find a little end where it's a little bit soggy.
Stop stepping on ants.
Then, don't really see the end. Dad, can I pick one? This is absolutely ready.
This is too easy.
Yeah, me too. I don't think it's ready yet.
Keep pulling down a little bit more.
I'll do it too, Dad.
Look, it is ready. Remember, this is white corn.
Okay, it's ready.
Okay, so how do we pick it off?
Then, see, it's kind of like bamboo. You hold it behind here like this.
Yeah.
Then you crack it.
Crack it off. That's right. Good
And
job.
twist it. See?
Twist it off of there, Bev. You got it. Keep going.
Dad, I'm gonna pick strawberries.
Look at that. You got it.
Dad, I'm gonna pick strawberries in that garden.
Good girl.
Dad,
Okay, let's keep finding the corn.
I'm gonna
We pinch it. No, we pinch it first and peel it open, or we just pull it off.
Dad, watch me.
What?
Okay.
That's a big fish.
Dad, it's ready.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. If it's not coming off, then twist it a little bit and then pull it off.
It's so big. The yellow? Hello? Is it yellow? Party in the yellow vader.
Did you say party in the yellow vader?
Party in the corn vader.
Wow, Vivian is just ripping this ear apart. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's take the whole plant out. There we go. Look at that. She got it though. Oh, wow. Was that going to fit in the cooler?
I got it, Dad.
That's so hard.
Dad, I'm so
Here.
You're so strong.
Yeah, I'm so strong.
Look at that. Is Dex helping?
Yep, he's helping. Now my phone.
I got a fishing rod.
What kind of fish you going to catch?
Look at my
I'm gonna fish good. Amazing fish a shark. I'm gonna fish onions.
Fish onions. See if you catch any. Are they biting?
Yep, the biting me, the stick.
Where do we have more corn? Look, we got to pick all these ears of corn. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, wow.
That one we checked the other day. Let's see if, go ahead and peel it open a little bit more. It looks like it's done now. That's a bicolor corn. It's yellow and white.
Dad, can you help me hide the chicken?
Look at all these big ears of corn. Look at Viv. Look at all these. Look at that one.
I'm going to do this one. Come on, son.
Okay, pull those off of there.
Dad, can you get one?
Okay, Dad, I'll hold the top. Go ahead and pull it off. Good job.
I'm strong,
You
right?
are strong. That's right.
I'm strong, Dad.
Good girl. Go put that in the cooler. So we've been picking corn out here for about 20 minutes, and I bet we've already picked about 3 dozen corn, and there's a lot more where this came from. So one thing I just want to tell you guys, when you plant corn next year, plant it with a drip system, because as you've seen, this garden is almost weed-free. The corn's getting only water next to the stalk. Everything around it's not getting water. We're able to get the water right to the rootstock, and we don't have to worry. We don't have to worry about the corn getting knocked over by overhead water and lots of other weeds growing. So anyways, yeah, it's been fun picking corn. We planted 3 varieties of corn this year, and this white corn actually is showing signs of just being the best corn we've probably ever planted. The plants are big, the ears are huge, and yeah, as you can see, the kids are loving picking the corn too. So stay tuned for more episodes of In the Garden with Garrett and kids. And next time, I think we're gonna be picking onions or maybe some cantaloupe, and we're gonna show you how to make salsa really soon because we've got tons of tomatoes coming on. And we're also gonna do an episode where we show you guys how to do marinara sauce with onions, tomatoes, and fresh herbs from the garden and a little bit of garlic. So if you guys want more information on gardening, how to harvest some of this great stuff, check us out at growoutdoorliving.com.